Paano nga ba mag-withdraw using your SeaBank, GoTime, or GCash card in Hong Kong? The step-by-step tutorial. Alam niyo na kung alin kay GCash, SeaBank, and GoTime ang best gamitan for withdrawal here in Hong Kong based on my previous video. Ngayon, I will teach you how to withdraw via Bank of China ATM. Why Bank of China? No withdrawal fee, and madami silang ATMs inside the airport or even the city mismo. So, let's try the SeaBank first. Insert your card, select English, tas sasabihin niya yan, international service charge may apply. Click yes lang at wala namang withdrawal fee na magre-reflect. Enter your PIN, click savings account, then withdrawal. And maximum withdrawal you can do is only 2,500 HKD. Kaya input your desired amount, not more than 2,500 HKD. Click enter and it will show the conversion. So always choose charge my account in HKD para wala ng dynamic conversion fee. Para instead of 3,812.11 pesos as you can see on the screen, 3,679.89 pesos lang ang mababawas sa account mo and no conversion fee. Mga 200 pesos din ang difference. So that's it for SeaBank. Now for GoTime, same process, choose English, yes, enter PIN, choose savings account, withdrawal, enter amount, and you're done. Sa GoTime, di na mag-show ang conversion rate on screen dahil automatic na siya. Charge to account at 500 HKD is 3,717.04 pesos. Okay, lahat ng to 500 HKD ang winidraw ko, lahat ng card ha. Lastly kay GCash, same lang sila ng process ni GoTime and i-charge 3,680.22 pesos for 500 HKD withdrawal. In ranking for the best rate, first si SeaBank, second si GCash, and third si GoTime. So that's how you withdraw your money in Hong Kong, and for all your Klook bookings, use discount code KLOOKGG for up to 5% off and GG Agoda and Adulting Engineer naman for up to 10% off sa Agoda. Anything else you want to know for Hong Kong? Just let me know in the comments.